Just look at that beautiful sunset right here in the desert. There you can see. And there's the town. And look at the mist coming in all the way there from the coast. And there's the Orange River. What a beautiful setting. What an amazing, amazing sight just to see the creation of God. And how beautiful God has created everything in its time. The Bible says, even you were created beautiful, weaved fearfully and wonderfully in the mother's womb. And God says, in His book is written all the days, fashioned. And God thinks thoughts over you that is even more than the sand. All the sand that you see around, God's thoughts is more than that for you. Because He just loves you that much, and just because He's that great and He's that amazing and He's that awesome. And God says even your light affliction bears for you an eternal weight of glory. There's an eternal weight of glory, and the Bible says to us that arise and shine, for your light has come, and the glory of the Lord is risen upon you. And I just want to prophesy this over you today, that just as God has created this beautifully, set in its time, God has planted you for a time such as now. He has weaved you fearfully and wonderfully in your mother's womb. And all the days that He declares over you is fashioned, it's written in His book. And I want to encourage you today and say that begin to tap into the thoughts of God that He's got planned for you. Thoughts to prosper you, not to harm you, to give you a future and to give you hope. Thoughts that bears the eternal weight of glory. In Jesus' mighty name.